Well, earlier today, Stephen Pimpo caught up with a research team from the University of Alabama, Huntsville, that is in the area to collect information on storm outbreaks like the one today. They're measuring elements like temperature, humidity, and wind speed so they can spot the warning signs of severe weather as early as possible. And Mississippi has provided them with plenty of opportunities.
All the ingredients just kind of lined up together to put Mississippi right in the heart of the chance for some severe weather again.
That's what brings research teams from the University of Alabama, Huntsville back to the Magnolia State just 1 week after coming to study the recent tornado.
Today does pose kind of a unique case for us in the fact that we have the chance for very high risk, severe non-thunderstorm winds, which is kind of what we're feeling out here right now with these stronger wind gusts that are well out ahead of the main line.
The 5 to 6 UAH teams spread up and down Highway 45 are part of the Perils Project, which seeks to better understand the progression of tornadoes and other storms so that they can be identified as early as possible.
Understanding these linear storm systems as they progress throughout the southeast, since that is such a common storm type for us out here.
Josh Huggins was part of the group in Brooksville working with their mobile Doppler and LiDAR system.
We are using a laser beam that is being shot up into the atmosphere. We're able to get data sets like relative humidity. We're able to get an idea for how much water vapor we have up in the atmosphere.
Another team was based in Amory with what they call their mobile integrated profiling system. This radar system is measuring wind profiles to help researchers track wind patterns that lead to major storms.
A lot of warm and moist air is being pumped in from the Gulf of Mexico, and this warm and moist Gulf air is leading to the development of thunderstorms and especially will intensify the initial squall line.
Matthew Starke constantly monitors the various screens that show the different types of data they're collecting and track the weather balloons they deployed throughout the day.
The first thing that we normally do with wind data is see how much shear there is. That's the first thing that we normally do with that, because that's important. The amount of shear is important for the possibility of tornado formation.
Any way that we can help, increase that leeway time in front of warnings is what we're trying to do.
In Brooksville, Stephen Pimpo, WCBI News.
Now, Huggins says they actually had to ditch one of their trucks last week so they could get out of the path of the oncoming storm. He says that is standard procedure when studying these types of storms, and teams are equipped with 2 trucks so they can evacuate while leaving the radar to collect more data.